Good morning students. I am Vetrichelvi from Vetri and Vetri Neat Chemistry. Another channel is Chemistry Simplified Tamil. In this channel I am uploading the video for Tamil Nadu State and Vetri and Vetri Neat Chemistry exclusively for JE as well as the NEET. So our daily practice paper, this is the paper for day 19. The topic is thermodynamics. Let us see the question. 2 moles of hydrogen at 5 atmospheric pressure expands isothermally and reversibly at 57 degrees centigrade to 1 atmosphere. Work done is. இப்போ இங்கே இது thermodynamicsல இது எக்ஸ்பான்ஷனை பற்றி பேசுகிறாங்க. அடுத்து ஒர்க் டன் கேட்குறாங்க. நேச்சர் ஆஃப் த ஒர்க் என்ன, தட் இஸ் கால் ப்ராசஸ் என்னன்னு பார்த்தா ஐசோதர்மலி, தட் இஸ் அட் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டெம்பரேச்சர், ரிவர்சிபிள். இப்போ இதுக்கு ஒர்க் டன் ஃபார்முலா எழுதிடலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், this is work done. So this is for what are the things we have to consider. It is reversible. This is the point number 1, and it is expansion. So for this one, work is done by the system. So since work is done by the system, அதனால இங்க மைனஸ் போட்டுக்கிறேன். ஃபார்முலா 2.303 n or p log of P1 by P2. இங்க what is P1 is pressure at initial, and what is P2 is pressure at final. So this is the very important things we have to consider. Expansion lo who is greater na, it is expanding. Okay, expanding. So expansion means volume increases, so pressure decreases. So pressure decreases, so P1 is greater than P2. Okay, நம்ம இப்போ இதுதான் ஃபார்முலா. இப்போ கொடுத்த டேட்டாஸ் என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். That is, or we will substitute the data. So minus 2.303 into n is the number of moles. You are having 2 moles of hydrogen into, or here it is the options are available in terms of joules. So let us take it is the, what is the value of the or in terms of joule, that is 8.314 into temperature. Temperature is here 57 degrees centigrade. We have to mention in the Kelvin. So for convert the 57 into Kelvin, 57 degrees centigrade plus 273. What we are getting is 330 Kelvin. So your temperature is 330 Kelvin. Okay, into here temperature over, next log of. What is P1 is here, it is the expansion from 5 atmospheric pressure to 1 atmospheric pressure. So 5 is the initial. Let me take it as a initial is, here it is initial is 5. So 5 atm divided by 1 atm. Now let us see எப்படி அந்த யூனிட்ஸ்லாம் கேன்சல் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த 2 யூனிட்டும் கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். இங்கே கெல்வின் இருக்கு. ஆருடைய வேல்யூட யூனிட் ஜூல்ஸ் பெர் மோல் பெர் கெல்வின். அடுத்தது திஸ் இஸ், அடுத்தது இந்த 2ங்கிறது நம்பர் ஆஃப் மோல்ஸ் அது. ஓகே, இப்போ எப்படி கேன்சல் ஆனா இன் திஸ் கெல்வின், here Kelvin and Kelvin getting cancelled and mole getting cancelled. So what is left at units only the joule. Now let us write what are the things are available. Minus 2.303 into, what is here, it is without unit I am writing. The remaining things are as usual, into 330 into log of 5/1. So this is the thing available. So before going to work, எதுவுமே அது ஒர்க் பண்ணி பார்க்கறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு வாட்டி இந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஆன்சரை போய் பார்ப்போம், எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போம். தட் இஸ் கால் minus 2.303 8.0. Okay, so till everything is common. Here it is, we want only 5/1. So these two things we will eliminate. Next thing is, you can see here temperature is 330 and here what is it, 2 is not, the number of moles is not available. This is the case where 330 into 2 is given as a 660. So now let us see here, this is comparing minus 2. Now I am selecting B is the option. In such a manner compare with my answer. 2.303 into, that is 8.34 into 2 into 3, that is 2 into 330, it's become 660. So my answer is now, according to the options, I am converting my answer. 8.314 into 330 into 2, we are getting 660. Then we are writing log of 5 by 1. So with the unit of joules. So this is the way we are reaching the answer. So again I am comparing minus 2.303 into 8.314 into 660 into log 5 joules. So this is the option. Here I am repeating the tricks again. So it is expansion. So whenever your expansion, work is done by the system. So there is minus sign is given, and here what is it? Initial by final is the expansion formula. Now the problem regarding this is over. I will give the formula for next one. What is it? It will be useful for you. Work reversible itself. If it is instead of expansion, compression. If it is compression, what will happen in the formula? Compression is work is done on the system. So it is plus, formula is 2.303 nRT log of, here it is P2 by P1. So this is the formula for your expansion, as well as it is the isothermal process. Okay. So now this is for correction of, this is compression. Okay. Main difference is this one. What is it? Final minus initial. So this is the way you have to select the formula. This is for expansion. Here it is expansion. The sign is minus, and here P1 by P2. Remaining things are same. For the compression, what is it called as a log P2 by P1. Okay, let me write again. Here it is plus 2.303 nRT log of P2 by P1. What is P2 is final. P1 is initial. So like that, this is for the compression. Use this formula and complete the exam successfully. Thank you.